3 terms. So we have x to the 4th plus 5x squared minus 36. If you notice the a value is still 1, you don't have to worry about a GCF. But here's what you do have to worry about. Your degree must be even. Also, bx's degree must be half of ax's degree, which it is. Same thing. You better ask yourself if can you factor again. All right, so is the biggest degree even? Yes, it is. It's 4. Is bx's degree half of ax's? Yes, it is. 2 is exactly half of 4. This is factorable. So all we're going to do is set up our parentheses. Y'all look at the 36. Those 36 is negative. You know it's going to have opposite signs there. And guys, set those up evenly in each parenthesis. So x squared goes in each of them. And then what multiplies to make 36? Not a lot. I like 9 and 4. Because what's 9 minus 4? Yes. So put your 9 in the positive side and your 4 on the negative. And then what's going on, y'all? Are you done? You got to break that down. So this is going to be x squared plus 9. And then what? Yeah, minus 2 plus 2, yes. That's right. One more time, guys. You got to make sure all of your x's are accountable. We have a degree of 4. You got to make sure you have 4 x's, and you do. Let's box it in. All right, let's try it one more time. So for this right here, x to the 4th plus 21x squared minus 100. I do not have a GCF because I don't have a number in front of x. I only have to look for a GCF. I know my signs are opposite because that 100 is negative. What goes in there? I always forget that these two numbers multiply to make 100. Yeah, I always forget 25 and 4. That's the magic numbers, guys. Put 25 on the plus side and 4 on the negative side, and you have the same situation as you did up here. So we are going to recopy x squared plus 25, but you have got to break down x squared minus 4. Minus 2 plus 2. Oh, whichever one's positive. You always keep the one that's positive. I just happen to write the positive first on each of them. Guys, so the 4 terms, the GCF, we have 6x to the 3rd minus 15x squared plus 2x minus 15. Here's what happens to happen here. First of all, degree doesn't matter. Could be even, odd, whatever. But what does matter is you have an even number of terms. Which we do. It could have been 6, could have been 8, as long as it's even. Also, can I factor again? All right, so if you notice the first number is a 6, can I take anything out of all 4 of those? Because that really needs to be the first step. I can't, you're right. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to break it into groups. I'm going to circle the first 2 and then circle the last 2. So we're going to GCF that. Then we're going to GCF the other one. All right, so for this first one, yeah, but not just a 3. What else? 3x squared. Yes, yes, yes. All right, let's make sure that we factor, right? So 6x to the 3rd divided by 3x squared is going to be a 2x minus 5. That's right. Because a negative 15x divided by a positive 3x squared is a negative 5. But, yeah, you can't do anything because they're already matches, but you have to factor out something. No, I can't because that doesn't have an x. What do you multiply or divide by that doesn't affect the number? That's what you have to factor out. So please write +1 and then recopy the remainder. You got matching binomials there, so we're almost done. Put 3x squared plus 1 in one of them, and then 2x minus 5 in the other one. And then ask yourself, can you keep going? No, you cannot. So you're going to box that in because that's how that works. All right, couple more, y'all. This first one right here, 3x to the third plus x squared. We're going to GCF that. We're going to GCF that other one. Yeah, so the first one, you just take out x squared. So this is going to be 3x plus what? What happens when you take it all out? 1. 1's your placeholder. And then, guys, for the other one, they are both negative, but these are both positive, so I know I'm taking out a negative something. 3 goes into both of those, but you cannot do a 3. It has to be the largest one. So a negative 27x divided by a negative 9 is a positive 3x, and y'all, a negative 9 divided by negative 9 is a positive 1. So we have factors of x squared minus 9, and then we have 3x plus 1. Are we done? Are we done?
Whenever you took out the 9 and put it in front of the 3x, what did you say?
Right here? Yeah. Oh, I said it has to be the largest number that they both go into. Like 3 went into both of those, but 3 wouldn't work for me because 9 goes into it too, and 9's bigger than 3. Oh. That's all. Michael, do you keep going on this? Yes, you do. What does it turn into? Yes. All right, y'all. Give it a shot on the last one. So that's going to be the answer for that one. So we're going to box that in.